Today I want to build something really special. Something bigger and better than anything I've ever made before. That sounds really cool, and I want to help you build it. I know you want to help. You pick a sound, but I need to focus so it doesn't fall. I promise I'll be careful and won't touch anything without asking. I hear your promise, but sometimes you get too excited. Waiting feels really hard. I want to play now. If you give me a little time, we can enjoy it together.
Ethan steps closer, just a little too close.
I'm starting to feel nervous. You're very close. I'm not touching anything. I'm trying to stay still. Even if you're not touching it, being too close can still make it fall. I didn't mean for that to happen. I feel really bad. I feel really upset. I worked so hard on this. It was an accident, and I just wanted to be part of the fun. I know it was an accident, but I asked you to wait. I hear loud voices. What happened here? I feel angry and sad. I worked hard and it got knocked down. I feel bad. I just wanted to help, but now everything is broken.
It's okay to feel upset, but we don't yell or hurt each other with words. When something goes wrong, we make it better by calming down. Take a deep breath. Slow your feelings.
I'm trying, but I still feel really bad. I'm trying to, but I still feel hurt.
Both of your feelings matter? We will fix this together. Let's rebuild together as a team.
I'll help carefully. I don't want to make the same mistake again. Place that block slowly. If you rush, it might fall again. I'm moving slowly, and I really want this to work.
This is what teamwork looks like. Listening and caring.
I think it might actually work this time.
Remember, stay calm and follow the plan.
I'm ready. I'll let go slowly. It worked! I feel so happy. It worked exactly how I imagined. I feel proud. We did it together.
When you work together with patience and respect, mistakes can become something beautiful.
I want to play with my car. I just got it. I want to try it too. I promise I'll be careful. I'm not ready to share yet. I want more time. I understand, but I want to turn too. I hear you, but I'm not done playing. This feels unfair. I had to wait before.